Do you ever leak a little when you sneeze, laugh, or jump, especially after having your baby? You're not alone. It's super common. During pregnancy and childbirth, your pelvic floor muscles, which act like a supportive hammock for your bladder, get stretched and a bit weakened. Think of it like a rubber band that's been stretched out. It needs a little help to get its spring back. The good news is, you can totally retrain these muscles and regain that control. It's not something you just have to live with forever. You can feel strong and confident again with a few simple, targeted exercises. Want the step-by-step guide to help you reset and strengthen your pelvic floor? Check out the link in the description below for all the details.